In this video, we are going to see how we can quickly update the Microsoft Edge browser in Windows 11. First of all, just open the browser and click on the three dots on the top right hand corner. Head over to the settings at the bottom. And from here, we see About Microsoft Edge. You click on that and it will check for the updates. And right now, it is officially up to date. Otherwise, you might need to manually update that. So if you're sure that you want to still update, what you can do is just head over to the settings and you click on the apps and click on the installed apps. And from here, we write Edge. We see Microsoft Edge here. Click on the three dots and click on modify. Click on yes. And it will basically repair and update Microsoft Edge. As you can see, it is downloading the Microsoft Edge. So just wait for it to complete. And after that, it should immediately open the browser. And that should be it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.